Throughout the pandemic, each state was required to track and test positive and secondary contacts to slow the spread of COVID-19. They also needed an efficient system to manage, plan, and distribute vaccines to residents. This challenged health agencies by forcing multiple districts and departments to coordinate and share information. As the virus affected more families each day, MTX's user-friendly and seamless Vax platform was designed to securely track individual data and promote a timely completion of end-to-end vaccination management. In addition, our solution managed the process for positive cases, including subsequent testing and hotel scheduling. In one state, MTX has scheduled 740,000 appointments since the start of the pandemic. In another state, we were tasked with handling the tracing of a population of over 8 million people, making it the largest COVID-19 contact tracing program in the world at the time. MTX is committed to creating safer communities nationwide. This requires slowing the spread of COVID-19, monkeypox, or any infectious disease. Reach out today to schedule a demo of our solution.